Max hears a funny noise. This is Max. He lives in a yellow house. It is nighttime. Max is fast asleep. Suddenly, there is a noise in the house. Max wakes up. Who could it be? Max worries it might be a burglar. He is too scared to go downstairs. Max has a plan. He barks like a dog to scare the burglar away. Then someone barks back. Curious and brave, Max tiptoes downstairs. No burglar at all. Just a friendly dog who climbed in through the window. Max and the dog become the best of friends.